Good Jack.
We don't have enough time. Sorry, Jack.
You eating your bird foot?
Yep, you betcha. You gotta get this body in the shop and start doing body work.
Is it yummy? Yummy?